Picture this, it's busy work week and your team is flooded by data management tasks. You're feeling the strain and thinking there must be a smarter way. Now imagine the tool that not only alleviates but also exceeds your wildest expectations. And this is not just a tool. This is a chatbot powered latest AI technology, interacting with real data and save your team 3 hours per week. In this video, we are about to reveal a unique chatbot that does all this and more. I will reveal how it masterfully validates data and how it connects seamlessly with API for maximum efficiency. We will explore how this chatbot is developed by BotPress, TagAI, and ChatGPT and Zapier. We will explore how this awesome chatbot is developed with BotPress, TagAI, ChatGPT, and Zapier, and meets specific needs for real estate companies. We are talking about not just a chatbot that increases the productivity and also has given to the company a competitive edge in the market. I warn you, watch this video very carefully because this bot can inspire you in your next big project. Before we dive in, if you want to schedule a consulting with me, please find a link in the description to schedule a meeting. Hi everyone, it's Sviat and welcome to my channel. Before we start, I want to give a few words about this project. So I created this for my client. I charged this for $2,000. As I said before, this chatbot is helping my client to save 3 hours per week, which is insane. Let's start. Let's talk about client's need. They run a big real estate company for renting out the apartment, hotels, and other stuff. Imagine this as a library of full books, but instead of books, they have properties. This library is always growing with adding new properties to this. Just like librarian needs to know about every book in the library, my client wants to know about every property. Also, they need to keep track of every people who wants to rent this property. It's like a keep tracking of every person who borrows a book in the library, but it's more complicated in real estate business. So they also want to talk to these people easily, get their contacts, and answer their questions. It's a lot of work and takes so much time. So they asked me to help them with creating a chatbot. This is like a super smart librarian who knows all about their properties and can answer on their questions. This helps my client to save 3 hours per week, which is insane for him. As I said before, this is a combination of BotPress, TagAI, ChatGPT-4, and Zapier. And also very important that I add the phone validation. I know there are a lot of videos in YouTube with creating similar bots, but I didn't find any with them who creates the bot and add nicely phone validation. So actually the phone can be added random, just very randomly, not accurate. So I added this validation, so keep eyes on this and I think it will be very helpful. Find a link to the description to download the whole template with phone validation. Now you may wonder why phone capture and validation is such a big deal. Well, it's about to provide a choice. Some people don't mind to give their phone number, some people don't want and ask for sending email. With this chatbot, user can select how they want to be contacted via phone or email. You know, when you play a game, there is a rules and it's same for phone number. We cannot just put random numbers there. It will not work. So the chatbot I created uses something called validation. It's like a game referee who checks the rules and making sure that everything is valid. This is really cool because it helps a viewer to type the correct phone number. Current chatbot is checking for lengths, for country code, making sure that this is USA, and also making sure there is a nice formation. Here you see the example of what it can accept and also what it cannot accept. Finally, this chatbot gives the custom validation message saying that user did something wrong. Here is the example how it has to be. Okay, let's move to conversion flow. We have two branches. One is rent and another one is rent out. Let's focus today on the rent. In the rent branch, user is asked about location, budget, how many bedrooms. After chatbot gets this data, it checks an API if there is any property available for such a search. And cool thing is that it's available 7/24. My client said that he wants to give an option for people not to share their phone numbers. So I created 2 branches with email me or with capturing all the information, including phone. And this bot can go within 2 scenarios. In first scenario, when a user says, yes, I want to be contacted by a phone, he get asked a full name, phone number, and email as well. If a user doesn't want to be contacted via phone, it asks only for full name and email. Finally, let's discuss about cherry on top, API integration. So this bot can interact with real data and provide the real data to the customer, and this task would be so hard for me if I don't have any technical knowledge before. As you know, I have 5 years of experience as a software engineer, and it was easy for me. But just for you to understand this, you have to learn a lot. And if you have some question, please ask me. I can help you with this as well. Due to that, this is so complicated task, I didn't include this here. But if you want me to create a second episode about this bot, leave me a comment. I will make another video with step-by-step how you do this, and we'll provide template for you so you can just download it and just use for your future clients. So you can use this for your clients or for your next big project if you want. And that's it. I hope you like it. Give it a like, subscribe for more. I will provide some more examples of chatbots I create for my client. As you see, by combining a bot press, Tag AI, ChatGPT, Zapier, you can get insane results and build any type of chatbots. So you want to try it, go to description and find the link to download the template and integrate it, and it will work for you. And feel free to play around and integrate it, and feel free to integrate it for your future projects. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.